Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing well. So guys, today I have created this look using the Lakme products only. So guys, if you want to see how I have created this look, then please continue watching. First of all, I will be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer to prime my skin. Now my skin has been primed and now I will be using the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Medium. This is a full coverage foundation. I am going to use the PAC 265 brush to blend out my foundation. Now I am using the same compact, that is a Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact. This is again in the shade Golden Medium. I am using a wet sponge to apply this compact. This one is from PAC. This is going to set my foundation in place, and this gives me little bit of extra coverage too. Now I am using the Lakme CC cream as a concealer to prime my eyes. Lakme loose powder to set my concealer in place. It is in the shade Warm Pink. Now this eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. See the difference? See the difference in both of the eyebrows? Now this royal blue kajal from the Lakme Iconic range. Now smudging it a little bit. This golden shade onto my inner corner of my eyelid. This golden shade on the 1/3 of my eyelid. Now this Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner. Now using this Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner. Now using this Lakme Black Iconic Kajal to tightline my waterline. Again this blue kajal onto my lower lash line and smudging it a little bit also. Now using this peach shade to highlight inner corners of my eyes. Now using this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara to curl my lashes. Now using this Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter, and I'm using this as a bronzer. Now the Lakme Absolute Blush Duos in the shade Coral Blush. Now using this highlighter to highlight high points of my face. Now using this Lakme lip liner to outline my lips. Now using this lip liner to outline and fill in my lips. Now using this Lakme lip liner to outline and then fill in my lips. Now using this Lakme lip liner to outline and then fill in my lips. Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Red Rebel to fill in my lips. Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte lipstick in the shade Red Rebel. So guys, this is the finished look